As the world is transitioning towards using renewable energy, the need to store excess energy has grown significantly too. A few years back, several customers sought a solution for accurate analysis of battery materials to help optimize and monitor the production processes of batteries. Of course, we at Malvern Panalytical were happy to create an analytical solution and, in the process, learn about the battery production processes and its market. A team of experts was assembled to lead this expertise project. The goal was a reliable and robust sample preparation method in combination with analytical results with high precision and accuracy. The project had several challenging aspects. First, there were no commercial certified reference materials available. And second, the customer did not have the resources to produce calibration standards on their own. Now, a reliable calibration kit for battery materials is available, including a newly developed dedicated set of certified reference materials for XRF calibrations of manganese, cobalt and nickel oxides. This application can be extended with several elemental oxides like aluminium, calcium, zirconium, sodium and sulfur. In addition, the customers will receive detailed instructions and training for sample preparation method and calibration. With this kit, our customers are able to optimize and monitor their battery production process daily. It is a flexible solution that helps to maintain the highest production quality for battery materials.